Okay, then why is it so important to follow TS4U's step-by-step private bootcamp roadmap and also like avoiding or ever jumping and moving randomly from one piece of content to another? So why it is important in your thought?
Yes, so this is very important because as I experience, every content is kind of like very significant for us, and also like the sequence, the content sequence is very like proper way, because first, as I just go with the very beginning, is the Linux part. I'm just explaining my DevOps part. So is that starting with the Linux and then the two-tier application, then three-tier, then the advanced version, like the Docker and the other advanced tool. So if someone just thought like, okay, so let me just go with the Linux one and then start with the Docker. So there is no way, because in between beginning there is Linux and the Docker, there you will miss like around 5 workshop, and that 5 workshop will help you to understand the Docker part, right? So there is no way to like start with number one and then start watching with number 6 content. So you have to follow number 1, 2, 3, how these sequential like ways are like uploaded the video. You have to follow that. So this is the best thing, and then you will know, okay, this is the first thing, and then after that, like few of that advanced tool they are just learned, and then the more advanced things. So this is the way you can just understand each and every step, and then you can just make up that dots that you need to learn.